How's it going? Me again, Larkin Lube LLC. 6.7 Cummins, reaching up, turning the oil filter. As you can see, it's right there. It's hand tight, but I gotta reach. I got short arms. I go to the drain plug, 3/8 ratchet, short extension. Do hold 3 gallons with the oil filter. Always lubricate your O-ring with oil. T6 Rotella. Been running it ever since the first oil change on this truck. Well, I was mistaken. I did one. I went to there we go. I went to time it once. They changed over to Valvoline, and they was running using Valvoline and not Shell. And yes, Valvoline is recommended by Cummins, but I'm a Shell Rotella man myself. That's right. Ain't nothing but do it. Shell Rotella T6 is a full synthetic 5W40. 3 gallons. Whoa, you saw that? I think if you hold it straight up and down, when you turn it sideways, the whole picture turns red. $12 quarts. That's one. Gotta change the fuel filter too. Really don't feel like it, but it got to be done. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you need me to go over something, just get with me in the comments, or you can go over to my website, www.larkinlube.com. Ask a question, leave your phone number, I'll call you back, get back with you. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, follow me. I got a lot of stuff over there. And God bless. Keep up. Don't stop, won't quit. Larkin Lube out.